Hi, my name's Jeremy Broun. I'm here to share with you over half a century's woodworking experience. In this Just a Minute series, let's get straight to today's topic. Okay, so today's topic is why I'm choosy about cheap tenon saws. So let's get the timer started for 1 minute. Okay, it's a myth that cheap tenon saws don't cut very well or won't last that long. The truth is some cheap saws are terrible and others are just as good as traditional brass back saws at a fraction of the price. Now the most important thing is how it cuts and maintains a sharp edge and how it feels in your hand. So I'm talking about sharpness, tooth set, tooth pitch, that is the number of teeth per inch, and the weight, balance and grip of the saw. The most difficult part of sawing is the first cut and then getting the motion going. The first cut involves the tip of the blade and this is where weight helps. Now as you can see, I'm using different saws to make the same cut, and I have to say I have two favourites here in the UK. Trouble is I have 5 times the number of viewers from the USA, so your saw brands will be different. So I guess the best thing to do is try out different saws. Now hard tip saws last surprisingly long, and let me finish by saying that hard tip saws last surprisingly long, but of course they're throwaway. But more expensive hand saws involve expert dressing, that is resharpening and setting the set of the saw. Well, thanks for watching. I dreamed up this series of just a minute videos before YouTube Shorts, and if you like my series, please give your feedback in the comments. Feedback is essential, especially as I'd like you to suggest some topics of interest to you that I can cover in future videos. Just one final thing, when using a hand saw, be careful the saw doesn't slip out of its groove, as you can badly graze or even gash your fingers. So be safe, have fun, and thanks for watching.